Hey guys, it's BlazeFury here, and welcome back to another video of nature. Now this is the third video, and what I'm going to be doing today is mostly just going through the shed like in the last video, but today I am not getting the bike out because everything's good on it, and I'm basically just going to clean out the shed because you know, it's pretty crowded in there. So move that shed. Da 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 da. Okay, so just in case it's a little too dark in some parts and we can't see, I brought my, wait for it, trusty, whatever you want to call it, flashlight. Some people, I think in the UK, I want to say in the UK, they call it a torch, which I think is cool. So, yeah. Obviously, things like this hedge trimmer, I will not attempt to pull out because, you know, that will either hurt me or something in the shed. So I guess we're gonna start with these. These are mostly just shovels, a broom. There's even like, hold on guys, I got the coolest looking thing. I don't know what it's used for. I heard they used to use them for like, if there's a lot of ice on your property or something, they get one of these and they just hack away at it. Yo, Minecraft real life. Yo, legit, like look at this. I can't even lift it up, it's a little heavy. But it's pretty cool looking. So I guess we start with getting all the stuff in one spot and then clearing out that one spot that we're in so we could make it more organized. See, I'm not that dumb. Well, I'm a little dumb, but you get the point. Oh god. No! Yo guys, what is this? If you guys know what this is, probably gonna think I'm dumb not knowing what it is, but I don't care. What is this, guys? Whatever. Let's see. Oh guys, sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I tried to, but I still, well actually, I got rid of the videos. And you'll never see them. But I will be recording today. Most definitely will be recording. I'm pretty sure this is just like a better rake than what most people have. Either that or it's for like, I don't know, preparing the ground if you're gonna plant something there, I don't know. Like in Minecraft. Because everything is Minecraft now. Hashtag the more you know. We're doing pretty good. The only thing that concerns me right now is I see a mallet in here. I mean, that shouldn't really concern me because, you know, there's no blood on it, so we're good. We good. Oh. Yo, I don't know what this is made out of. I thought it was like a rubber mallet at first, but nope. It's a hardcore like mallet there. Okay, what are these? These are, I forget the name. You know those paint rollers? These are the things. I don't know why they're in here. We hardly ever need paint. I don't think we even have a paint roller. Actually, no. Come to think of it, yeah, we do. Okay, let's put the little ones first. It's good to me. Wait, guys, did you hear that? Little kids. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Guys, I saw a squirrel. Is he still there? No, he's not there. But guys, you think I should annoy these kids? You guys, oh wait, no, he got off. Probably heard me. Guys, I'm gonna whisper like this so they don't hear me. Okay, they're not there. But you guys want to see me mess with those little kids? Tell me in the comments down below, and if you think it's just plain cruel like I do, also tell me in the comments down below. But yeah, okay, so let's go back to this. Okay, I'm gonna put all the little things first. Okay, we'll leave that till the end because I can't get it out. This goes up against the wall. This, oh god, everything's falling over here. Gotta put it like that. It's going together well. I mean, technically, we haven't even started on like a third of this whole shed. This is like 0.2. Oops. I annoyed a dog. And probably made myself deaf. Huh. If you guys don't know, well, yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys don't know. If you do, you're wizards. But after, guys, things keep just falling over. I think, yeah, during the last nature video, my neighbor caught something in the trap. It was not what they meant to catch. It was actually a squirrel. Don't worry, guys. The squirrel was released back into its, well, I don't know if I can say natural, but yeah, I can say natural. Natural habitat. Because, yeah, kind of. Most likely. Oh, come on, guys. Come on. Okay, here we go. And one last thing, the pickaxe. Or, I don't know what to call it. This might not have worked so well. I think I just made it work, guys. Oh god. Oh no. Yeah, guys, I definitely made this worse. God, why do I always have the worst ideas? In the moment, guys, every single idea seems awesome. But then, you know, they don't turn out so good. We're gonna have to figure that later. We're having some technical difficulties. Right now, you may listen to a dog barking and look at a pole. Da 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 da. Well, that's my video, guys. I'm Blazing Fury, and I'll see you in the next one.